Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPod Pros 2 to your MacBook Air. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to pair their AirPod Pros 2 to their MacBook Air so that the sound output of their MacBook Air can actually go into their AirPod Pros. Now, in order to do this, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. What we're first going to do is that we're going to open up our AirPod Pro 2s, and then you're going to click and hold this center button that you see right over here. So you want to hold it until it beeps or hold it until the light here blinks white. So there you go. We've had our beep and now it's blinking white. Next, on your MacBook Air, there's multiple ways to do this. You want to click on System Settings. And then here, you want to scroll down to where it says Bluetooth. Now here is where you're trying to find any nearby Bluetooth devices. So right now we're looking for our AirPod Pros, which is this right over here down below. You're just going to click on Connect. And once you click on Connect, you should see the light turn green on your AirPod Pro. Once it's green, you also will hear a ding. And now you can actually go ahead and use your AirPod Pros as a sound output for your MacBook Air. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your AirPod Pro 2 to your MacBook Air. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.